Hello guys and welcome back to my channel TechPreneur, and in this video we are going to make a fake name generator in Python using the module faker. Starting off, we are going to import the module faker and then we are going to initialize it, and then when we type in here fake.name, we are going to get a fake name as an output in here. Now, if we just put it in a for loop and then iterate it over up to the range of 10, then we are going to get 10 different names out of it. Also, using the faker module, we can generate fake addresses out of it. In order to use it, we need to use the address method of it. So we need to print in here fake.address, and if we iterate it over a range of 10, so we are going to get 10 different addresses out of it in here simply. We can also generate fake sentences out of it. In order to do it, we need to use the dot text method of it. So if we type in here fake.text and iterate it over a range of 10, we are going to get different sentences, properly formed sentences out of it. So we can actually make a program out of it. So if you type in here, my name is fake.name, my address is fake.address, and my description is fake.description, I'm gonna get a valid output out of it. So where can we use it? We can use it wherein we have to do some kind of form filling, or we have to deal with spammers wherein we have to fill some kind of form. Then we can actually use this to generate fake names, fake email IDs, or fake addresses, and then fill up that form easily. As always, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.